Welcome to a crucial tutorial on safeguarding your website from negative SEO with the powerful tool SemRush. In today's digital landscape, protecting your website from malicious practices like link spamming is more important than ever. With SemRush, you can learn how to identify and remove harmful backlinks that may be compromising your site's SEO performance. From conducting a thorough backlink audit to utilizing SemRush's disavow tool, this tutorial provides actionable insights to neutralize the adverse effects of negative SEO. By leveraging SemRush's advanced analytics and reporting capabilities, you'll gain invaluable insights into your site's backlink profile. Whether you're a seasoned SEO professional or a novice, this tutorial equips you with the knowledge and tools necessary to safeguard your website's digital footprint. Join us on this journey to fortify your online presence and ensure your website thrives amidst the ever-evolving landscape of search engine optimization.